Once we've produced all of our setups for the machining operations we want to do, we can run the simulation mode. So we can do a 3D simulation, hit the play button, and it's going to show us a simulation. We've got the tool holder in there as well, so we can check for any clashes or collisions with the component or any of the fixtures. Once it's done there, we can see we've got a completed model, but the other thing we can also do is just check that we've actually got all of the features that we need to on the model. So in our simulation area, we can show the part compare, and what this is going to do is compare the original component we imported with the machined version that we've simulated. When we do this, it comes up with color coding, so the green is showing we're all happy, it's within the boundaries and the tolerances that we've set, but we can see on the top edge here, I've actually missed a chamfer along that edge. So not a problem. What we can do is just come out of our simulation mode, and we're just going to select a setup that gives us the orientation that we want to use to produce that feature. So it's going to be setup 4 because we're working on this top edge here. And I'm just going to go to my features area and select chamfer. Very simply now, all we have to do is select an edge. So what we're going to do is just pick on this bottom edge here. Then we add that into our feature curves. Go to next, and we can choose the direction of the cut. So which side are we going to remove the material from? So we're just going to flip this, and we can see it flips over in the preview. And then we're just going to give it a datum point so it knows where our original edge is. We can click on there, and you can see it aligns itself automatically. We can then choose the width and the depth of the chamfer, and then we can finish that command. So we do OK there, rerun the simulation, and we'll now see, once it's gone through the simulation on both sides, we can rerun our part compare, and we can now see the chamfer has been placed in the correct position.